Hello and welcome to the tutorial videos on how to create everything graphics and videos using Canva Pro. Now let's start with your social media profiles. How can you create your Instagram, Twitter, YouTube profile pictures, the banners, Facebook, and LinkedIn? Let us watch these short videos on how to do this. Will you practice this? This video is literally free, so you can rewatch and recreate it for your short exercise after this class. Now let's move to videos. How can you create branded videos on Canva Pro? Now let's watch the short video on how to do so. Remember, take notes. Yeah. Now, these videos are easy to create, right? Why don't you practice it too? Now, let's go to graphics and carousels using Canva Pro. Let us see how you can create graphics and carousels using Canva Pro. Let's watch the short video too. So using Canva Pro is so fun because it has so many tools you can use to edit your graphics, your videos, and so on. Now throughout the weekend, create your brand style guide as we said in the last class and save it in a folder for safekeeping. Then start practicing each of the designs mentioned in this video. Practice beyond, keep practicing, just keep on designing. But next class, which is tomorrow, we'll learn how to create graphics on Canva using a free account, because this pro account you have now is just for 1 month, and when it goes, what happens next? And guess what? Capstone project. It is time to choose your capstone project. Next week, I will send a list of different projects and you can choose which one you want to go for. Thank you for attending today's class. Bye.